lived in Quincy, and then check out plain surface. They're all down the same thickness. So today,
here we're laying out all the pieces, getting them ready.
build to be good for a glue up for a tabletop. I had to figure out what to do. I found out
At the end of this video to see what they are, but had to after. Look at that.
I am Josh, and this is my wife Tierney. We live in Quincy, Illinois. Underneath the part that is now our actual brewery.
Actually broken bread with them, and we thought their talents would be best used to make this table for us. The table is better than I ever dreamed it would be.